Hey lovelies, so this is another update on blooms. Yes, as to the hots, that's how I drop the updates, especially when they are very, very cogent. Now, we have a bloom update that dropped, and I wanted to show you guys. Let me put this on so that you can see. And it says drop game edition. By the way, have you started cashing dogs on your bloom? Because for me, I have started. If you've not started, go and update your Telegram app, and hopefully you're going to see it. I've started catching dogs on my bloom drop game. So for this bloom, it says drop game edition. Spooky season is here. Bloom just got a Halloween glow up. Now this is for Halloween. That means it is limited offer. So take or make use of the opportunity right now and do this. So say now we are all about cashing pumpkins, and yep, you can tap those bombs again for extra points. You know, before when we click on those bombs, it reduces our bloom points, but this time around when you click on them, it gives you extra points, about 10 points. Yes guys, so let's take advantage of this. And it says, looking for more immersive Halloween experience? Get ready for a one-of-a-kind Halloween party. I can't wait to see what they're planning here. Then it says, join Bloom alongside dogs, tongues, Stone syndicates, dog chain for an unforgettable night in Dubai. See your reservations here, guys. Okay, so that is on their official Bloom platform. Yes, and that's a new edition. So if you're just joining my YouTube channel, my name is Susan, and this is where I share all things crypto trading, airdrop latest updates as they hot. Also, I share how to earn money on the side as a 9-to-5 worker, or as someone who's a sit-at-home person or looking for a job. And also, I share no-fail commercial baking recipes, and behind the scene of a baking business, I also share millinery tutorials from time to time. So this is that channel you want to stay subscribed to. So now I'm going to go to my Bloom mini app on Telegram and show you how this works. So let's get right into it. So for newbies, you still have time to jump Bloom. Should I say you still have time? So now you just scroll up, and when you scroll up, let me do that again so that you can see. Once this is how to look like. When you scroll up, you should see this sign saying drop game. Yes, drop game. And then this is it. You just click on play. I have about 30 tickets here. So is this ticket I'm going to use to play? Yes, I'm going to click on this play now. And then once I click on this play, let me just so that you see it live, it's going to load. Now I'm just going to be clicking on the pumpkin, click on the freeze. Oh, I missed that bomb. Now I click on that bomb and I had 10. Oh my goodness, this is cute. So yes, see it now. So yes, that is it. I just did that to show you. I've been doing it for I think since yesterday. I noticed this new option, and I was so excited when I clicked on the bomb. I mistakenly clicked on the bomb, and I was like, oh my god, I've lost all my blue points. But I was surprised when I got 10 points more, and I'm like, oh yeah, really? And I said I must share this with my subscribers today. If I don't who am I without you guys? So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And let's farm together. Now I noticed something right now. Yeah, I think I'm coming. Let me see if I can see it again so I can show you guys what I noticed. Okay, so let me click on this small bomb. Okay. Once you click on the bomb, irrespective of the bomb size, you get more blooms points allocated to you. So let me play again. I want to confirm that irrespective of the bomb size. Okay, 10 points. Okay, yes. So irrespective of the bomb size, you get more bloom tokens applied to you. Then when you freeze, you can be able to catch more of this Halloween that is dropping. Okay, I think because of the Halloween, this Halloween feature that is dropping, they removed the dogs because dogs was showing on mine earlier on. They removed the dogs for now. I think after that Halloween, it will come back on. So if you're not taking advantage of this, please go ahead and start taking advantage of this. Take advantage of this, guys. So that's the latest for Bloom. Now stay connected to this channel because there are a lot of airdrop update that's coming in. Remember that so market is listing very soon. I think by tomorrow. Today is 31st. I listen tomorrow. So get ready for updates. Also, join my Telegram channel via the link in the description box. And also the pinned comments. My first pinned comment on my airdrop project videos are always having a link to my Telegram channel. That's why I drop updates. That's why you have access to some premium apps like VPN and the likes, Netflix and the likes for free. That is where you have access to ask me questions one-on-one and you get answers ASAP. That is where you get to meet other people like you who are farming, and that is where I'm also going to be doing my giveaways. So thank you guys so much for your support. See you in another subsequent update. Bye for now.